Here's how you assemble your high dome grill. First, lay out all the pieces on a clean, flat surface. Unfold the legs from the bottom of the base. Stand upright and attach the grill bowl. Line up the holes on the bowl with those of the base and use the screws, washers, and wing nuts to secure into place. Next, attach the air vent to the lid utilizing another set of a washer, screw, and nut. Place the lid handle through the holes on top of the lid and fasten with 2 more wing nuts. The wire handle secures to the outside of the grill bowl. Align the hole on the brackets with the hole on the grill bowl. Place your washer, and then insert the end of the wire handle. Repeat for the opposite side. Finally, place the coal grate in the bottom of the bowl, followed by the top grate. And with that, your custom branded high dome grill is ready to get cooking.